Your face died and I believed it. You let me roll with what you think I know. Doesn't change the fact that you feel what you're feeling. Don't know if you'll say it though. Yes, I cut my existential dreads off. It's funny that you ask why. Didn't think you cared when you took off. I guess I haven't let you go yet. All the time spent dying to forget, now I'm trying to remember. As if there's something that the lies couldn't get to, lying at the center. Been calling since the time of regret. Been sending messages, leaving voicemails, damn near knocking the door down, trying to come to. You haven't let me go yet. You pulled me to the corners of your eyes and I found your tears hiding. I chased you to the ends of your fingertips, I'm trying to do the right thing. I twisted away, using time as my excuse. I left the weight of untying on you. Sorry if I made you feel like you couldn't say the truth. Tell me how you feel now. I'm sorry that you picked up the phone. I'm sorry that I picked up your pain and painted my way back into your picture. I'm trying to come to.
when I walk home in the rain. No one said it was easy, we'll be calling each other names, making life a living hell. Cause we're gonna be jealous, selfish, playing the dirty game, fighting for the thrill of it. Sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So why don't we get extra keys and bigger beds? Sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So bring your jeans and no CDs, don't second guess. I let you down 1,000 times when I don't pick up the phone. You'll stay awake night after night. You've never felt so alone. No one said it was easy, we'll be calling each other names, making life a living hell. Cause we're gonna be jealous, selfish, playing the dirty game, fighting for the thrill of it. Sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So why don't we get extra keys and bigger beds? Sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So bring your jeans and no CDs, don't second guess. It sounds good to me. 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 Sounds good to me. Won't you come on over, stay the night here by my side, yeah. I keep waiting for you, hold me tight, and we'll be alright. It sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So why don't we get extra keys and bigger beds? It sounds good to me, sounds good to me. So bring your jeans and no CDs, don't second guess. Sounds good to me. It sounds good to me. It sounds good to me. It sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
You wanted some for nothing. I asked you not to leave. Your dress is on the table, whispering back at me quietly. When you couldn't find your necklace and looked beneath the sheets, I went to let the sun in, and you put your hand up to me. Ooh, ooh, I'm not naive. Ooh, ooh, I'll never see you. Ooh, I'm not one to plead, no, I'll just let you go. I'm not naive. Every letter I know you'll only read to know there's someone out there thinking of you in their sleep. Time never stood so still, like the drinks we left from last night. I tried to keep them on the bedside, 'cause it's not over for me. Ooh, ooh, I'm not naive. Ooh, ooh, I'll never see you. Ooh, I'm not one to play, no, I'll just let you go.
bad word. You're holding your tongue with me. You're causing a state of emergency. I need your voice right now to wash away my doubt. You're holding your tongue like love's a bad word. Sabotaging every time it's right. I don't understand why you lie. You've been getting wasted cause you don't wanna face this. Sabotaging every time it's right. I don't understand why you lie. You've been getting wasted cause you don't wanna face this. Love's